trace a program that uses an array and accesses it. So with this line, we declare an array of integers named values, the size of which is 5. So when we declare this, we basically allocate memory location for 5 integer values where all the default values are 0. After this, we get into the for loop and we declare a variable I. So I is initially 1. Then we compare I, which is less than 5, so true. Then we enter the loop and we do this. So I, that means 1 plus the values at 1 minus 1 or the values at 0. So values at 0 position, it was 0. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and 1 is assigned in the 1th position. So values at I or values at 1. Then I is incremented, so I becomes 2, and then it is compared that 2 is less than 5, which is true. So we get into the array and then values at 2 becomes 2 plus values at 2 minus 1, which is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 is assigned at the 2nd position. So at the 2nd position the value becomes 3. Then again I is incremented and I becomes 3. Then 3 less than 5, which is true. So we get inside and it becomes 3 plus values at the 2nd position. So values at 2nd position is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 is assigned at values 3. So here it is assigned. Then I is incremented and I becomes 4. So 4 less than 5 is true. So we get inside and 4 plus values at 3. So values at 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 is assigned at values 4. Then I is incremented and I becomes 5. 5 less than 5 is false. So we get out of the for loop and we add values at 1 plus values at 4. So values at 1 is 1 and values at 4 is 10. So 1 plus 10 is 11 and 11 is assigned at values at 0. So in the 0th position 11 is assigned. So in the book there are more examples with codes like initializing arrays with input values from the user, initializing arrays with random values by the math.random function, printing the contents of an array, summing all elements of an array, finding the largest element from an array, finding the smallest index of the largest element, random shuffling, and shifting of elements.